Okay, this is going to be a review on solving exponential and log equations. So here's this first one right here. Take a minute, pause the video, try it on your own, and then come back. Okay, welcome back. So the first thing I notice here that our bases aren't the same. Then I want to think, well, can I make them the same? So here's 4 and 16. Well, I want to think squares and cubes. Well, I can get this 16 to be 4 squared like this. Now I have my same base. So now I can rewrite it as 4 the x squared equal to, I plug in that 4 squared, x. Okay, awesome. Now I can multiply these two together right here. Multiply these. So here I get 4x, 4 to the x squared is equal to 4 negative 10x minus 16. Okay, now that my bases are the same, I can set my exponents equal to each other. So now I have x squared is equal to negative 10x minus 16. Okay, I want to get the equation equal to 0, so I have x squared plus 10x plus 16 is equal to 0. Okay, now I'm going to try to factor. So this factors to x 8. Set both of them equal to 0. I get x is equal to negative 8. And x is equal to negative 3. There's my answer. Okay, so there's that one. Now we're going to look at this one here. Take a minute, pause the video, try this one on your own, and then come back. Okay, welcome back. Here, the first thing that I notice is I want to get this by itself before I can use my logs now. Okay. Subtract 2 over. So I want to get the log by itself. When I do that, I get log 4 x squared minus 3x is equal to 1. Now that it's by itself, now I can use my logs now. Now we start with my base. My base here. I make my snail. Okay, I follow my snail to the 1. My 1 here is equal to my snail hits next is x squared minus 3x. Okay, get the equation equal to 0. So now I have 0 is equal to x squared minus 3x minus 4. Okay, now I can factor, so I have 0 is equal to x minus 4 x plus 1. Set them both equal to 0. I get x is equal to 4. And x is equal to negative 1.